So here's how to extend video on Veo 3. First up, let's open up the browser, type in Google Flow in the search bar and search for it. After that, you need to click on this link, which is by labs.google. So click on Flow over here. You will then be taken to the Google Flow website, and as you can see, we're here. After that, click on Create with Flow on the bottom. You will then be taken to another page which will look something like this. Give it some time to load up. Now, go ahead and click on the plus New Project option. Then, wait for the next page to load up. You will get an interface like this. From here, if you click on this text to video button, you will get to see these options that you can choose from. But now, we will go with text to video. Then, over here, click on the Veo 3 option. On the model section, let's select Veo 3. You can choose from other options as well. And for outputs, let's select 1. Now, in the text box, put in a prompt that you want to generate. After that, click on the Go button. As you can see, the video has started to generate. It may take a little while, so give it some time until it's done. So as you can see, our video is now ready. Click on the play button to check it out. Sometimes it may take a while initially. So now that the video is ready, click on Add to Scene on the top. After that, click on Switch to Scene Builder on the top right. You will then be taken to another page which will look like this. Give it some time to load up. Once you're here, drag the slider all the way to the right to the end of the scene. Now, click on this plus icon on the top of the line and select Save Frame as Asset. This will essentially create a screenshot of the end scene of this video. So as you can see, it's now ready. Click on it and it will be added to your frames. After that, you will need to put in a follow-up prompt for this next scene. Make sure that Veo 3 is selected and click on the Go button. Usually, it takes around 3 to 5 minutes, so give it some time to load up. And as you can see, it's now done. Now, let's drag the slider all the way to the front. Then, click on the play button on the left side. You will be able to view your new video with the new extended clip. And here, if you look at the video, you will notice that the next clip has merged with the previous one seamlessly. Now, to download it, all you need to do is click on the download icon on the right side, and after that, once it's exported, you will get an option to download on the top right. Just click on it. And that is exactly how to extend video on Veo 3.